Nope. Yep.
All right. Let's just see if we can fix this one.
Yep.
All right. Let's put it back on. That looks.
Yep, looks good. Tim, I'm glad we learned from you.
Tim's not here to supervise us. And, well, this fender has to be replaced.
So, as you can see, there must have been some kind of obstacle that got in the way. Well, we've already replaced the bumper. So this part needs to go.
And Tim was gonna do it, but Tim's not here. So now Dale and I are gonna do it. And we look forward to all the things that we did wrong according to Tim.
Yeah, we're gonna be told that there's a better way to do what we're gonna do.
Yep.
But you know what? We're gonna get it done. D-O-N-E.
Not perfect. P-E-R fact. So
no.
Thanks for watching. Let's see how we do this. Yep, that's tightened.
Look at this. Look at that grill. That is bitchin'.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Gray with the white fender.
I think we're gonna have to remove this piece from the whole thing, and then we're gonna have to borrow this piece to reuse it after we fix it.
Yep, I agree with that. And a pair of snippers, and just start snipping stuff
Out of the
and then until the buzzer stops.
Until the chime stops.
I think that's.
Holy cow, that's annoying. I should have done that first. All right, one there for sure.
Oh man, hold on. I got a solution.
Oh, you took the battery out.
Yeah, what do you think about that?
I mean, it's more enjoyable.
Oh, that's such a bad sound.
It is horrible.
I guess that's how you can tell if your battery's getting low, because then it'll start going.
Man,
maybe. I got a great idea. This pipe, I can just stick it. Where do you say it's at?
So
it's about right there.
Do you see it?
Yep.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Am I on it? Is that on that piece?
Move your no, it's higher. Higher. There.
Right there?
Yep. That might have worked.
It straightened it out. Look at that. Look at the door.
Yeah, it's already better. Well, somebody put a 3/8 in the 10mm spot.
Oh, who would do that? Me, probably. So this piece here needs to get straightened. The only way I know how to do that is just use brute force.
Oh. Are we down? Do we have another screw?
Ah, dang it.
Where is it?
Underneath.
Oh, gosh dang it. I thought we were ready. Found the tool that we need. Got it?
Where?
Both of them?
Nope.
Oh.
looks good to me.
Now can you pry him out? Hell yeah! All right, let's go do what we were trying to do 5 minutes ago.
All right. Oh, yep. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna straighten out that bracket, and then I'm gonna move to the front. And I'm gonna straighten out this section. I'm gonna straighten out this section of the front. Try to keep it flat so we can reuse this mounting section. I think I need a bigger hammer. That's a hammer, and this is a framing hammer.
Oh, I forgot about our 30-minute YouTube video about hammers.
Yeah, it was informative. I learned a lot. No.
No.
No. That one's crumpled pretty good.
Cool. How are we? Not the best, but you can come in from this side. I'll hold the block here, come over here.
Yep.
And there's the pinch. And I would just put the wood sideways on it. Like that. And then hit, yep. Yep. I will grab some vice grips.
I'm sorry that I think too much like you, Kyle, because you ask me questions and I'm like, no. You're trying to be like reasonable.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, no.
You're going full Kyle.
I'm going full Kyle.
Yeah. You know what?
Because I see the benefit, because this is going to be hidden. I don't care.
It's going to be hidden.
I don't care.
Dale, who's going to know?
Who's going to know?
Did you reset our bracket in there? The one with the 10 millimeter? Yep. That one has the stud.
This one's...
The stud's missing.
Yeah. So we might not need it.
It's probably fine. That's pretty good.
I think it needs to be just a little bit of
fixing down there?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah. Now I know why they broke it. This piece was rusty as
I got mine almost there. Let's see if I can.
Do you want to stand it up and we can, so we're not blind, like the Fender do that? Yeah, what was that? Just
Wasp.
Wasp nest, huh?
Yeah.
Sweet. So we need to do a little more
adjusting.
A little more adjusting, just probably just with vice grips.
Okay.
I just don't know how 1/16 of a turn at a time.
Yeah.
So on this side, it slides into the top of the fender. So this would not exist. And then that would go through the fender into the piece.
Okay.
I think they added that. Or it was a different year, different design.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes like,
It just sits over the top.
yep, and it goes, yep,
Yeah, sorta.
yep. Exactly.
Yeah, I'm just making it worse. So.
Yeah.
Sure.
I see what your thought process was. All right, well, hey.
The fender's not going anywhere. The fender is installed.
And neither one of us is certified.
No, I'm not a metal fab guy.
You know what else? Make sure the camera can see the door here. Yeah, it sure can.
Doesn't rub.
So, if you guys want to see more Dale and Kyle fab work,
Yeah.
body work, you just let us know. I don't even worry about that piece.
Yeah, just a few broken bolts along the way.